Shadows. Today we're making pavlova with strawberries and cream. The ingredients for this recipe are as follows: 4 egg whites, half a teaspoon white vinegar, 1 cup of caster sugar, 1 tablespoon boiling water, 1 tablespoon corn flour, 1 cup double cream, and some strawberries. Start by separating the egg whites from the eggs in a glass bowl. Once that's done, mix it until it begins to foam lightly. Then add half a teaspoon of white vinegar. Continue beating until the mixture is thick, stiff, and slightly dry. Gradually add the caster sugar, beating continuously. The mixture must be firm, shiny, and retain its shape. You then want to beat in the boiling water. You can sift the corn flour in if you want it to be extra smooth, or you can just add it as is if you don't mind a slightly rougher texture. Once it's looking like this, it's ready to be scooped out and placed on a baking tray with baking paper. You can smooth it out with a spoon. Once that's done, place it in the oven at 140 degrees for 30 minutes, then reduce the temperature to 120 degrees and bake for another hour. Then, turn the oven off and leave the oven door ajar for at least 15 minutes to reduce the cracking when you take it out the oven. Just before serving, you want to whip some cream and chop up some strawberries to add over the pavlova. Gently slide the pavlova off the baking paper. Sometimes it'll stick and you'll need to slide a knife under it first. Then you want to add the cream and decorate it with the strawberries. Once that's done, it's ready to cut up, serve, and eat.